Hello students, welcome back to one more session on Python Programming Lab. In today's session we will see how we can code the fourth program in our list, Python programming list. The fourth program is write a Python program to demonstrate any 5 string operations. Okay, so we need to write a program to demonstrate any 5 string operations. Okay, so we will see how actually it is done. Okay, so we have already learned how what are the different string operations we have. So I will comment string operations. Okay, so that we will know what actually this program is for. Okay, now we will try to take an input from the user. Okay, so str, okay, to manipulate the string. So we will ask the user enter the string. Right now I will use print, okay, to print the entered string. Okay, the given string is, right, we will try to print the string variable, right? So now we have taken a string from the user, then we are printing it back to see what is the string the user has entered, right? Then we will use the inbuilt functions what we have in Python to manipulate the string. Okay, so first I will use capitalize. So I will take a cap as variable and use str dot capitalize. Okay, so what this will do, it will capitalize the first letter of the string entered. Okay, and we will print the same. Okay, so string after capitalize. After using capitalize function, you can customize the message in whichever way you want. Okay, so I have given like this. Okay, later on print the variable where you have stored the capitalize. Okay, I will just mention with the comment capitalize will make first letter the string to uppercase, right? Yes. Now we will use one more function. Okay, so I will use upper. So I will take up as one more variable to store the converted upper string. Okay, so I will use str dot upper. So you can see it is already there, just I'm using the function which is already there in, we get that in the when you type dot. Okay, so dot operator. So You can print the string after using upper. Okay, string upper, right? Now print. Yes, the same way I will use lower. Okay, so now I will use the up string which we have stored in UP, then I will use lower, right? Now I will print the same thing. Okay, so string lower, right? Hello, right? This is lower. Then then I will use one more. Okay, string manipulation function that is starts with. Okay, so for str dot starts with. Okay, starts with, I will use the string MIT first grade college. Okay, so starts with, I will use call. Okay, I will give a string. Okay, then I will print starts with. Okay, yes, x, right? So these are some of the functions. There are so many other functions which you if possible you guys can use. Okay, I have used few functions. Okay, so as they have asked five functions, I can use one more function, that is ch equal to title. Okay, so I will use uh, a lower title. Okay, title, right? Now I will print the title. Okay, string each character is upper, just to differentiate. Okay, ch, we will see does this work or not. Okay, so I will give MIT first grade college. Okay, see, it is giving all the it is giving all the inputs. It is giving all the inputs one by one. Okay, so you can give any string which you like to manipulate the string operations. Okay, thank you so much guys, we will meet in the next session. Sorry for the disturbance, it's my child who is crying, sorry. Okay, thank you so much guys, we will meet in the next session. Thank you.